Have you ever spent hours creating the perfect video, only to have YouTube slap you with a copyright claim? That dreaded notification saying your free stock footage or soundtrack is suddenly infringing? It's frustrating, right? Especially when you've already gained subscribers and views. Today, I'm going to show you how to completely bypass this copyright trap with 4 powerful AI tools that will revolutionize your content creation process. I am going to pay special attention to one particular AI tool, which is my favorite. You wouldn't want to miss it. What's worse than building an audience only to have your content flagged for violating the copyright law? It is the fact that you were told that the owner allows the use of these assets during the uploading process. What options do you have? Replace the soundtrack with the awful stock soundtrack from the YouTube library? Delete that part of your video where the copyright asset is located? Outrightly deleting the video or just deleting it and re-upload the same video with a different soundtrack, only to be flagged again. As faceless creators, we rely heavily on stock footage and free sounds. But here's the shocking truth. Every free asset you download has a license number that allows the owner to track and claim it anytime. I mean, let's face it. I don't think 99% of YouTube's users or users of any social media platforms read the terms and conditions of using their platform. I've personally had content from Pixabay, Canva, and other free platforms flagged multiple times. Instead of deleting the video or trying to fix the sounds, I just set the video from public to private mode. That way, I don't lose any subscribers or views I had gotten before the copyright clause was claimed. Why live with this constant anxiety when you can create 100% original content that no one can claim? In this video, I'll share 4 incredible AI tools that will transform your entire workflow, from ideation to upload, ensuring you never face a copyright claim again. Let's break down the complete content creation process and the AI tools that will set you free. First, you need to generate ideas and create scripts. 2 powerful options stand out. ChatGPT, perfect for brainstorming video concepts and outlining your content. Claude, exceptional at creating natural-sounding scripts and crafting image prompts. You can try both out to see which style you prefer, or perhaps you want to combine both resources for their unique performances. These tools don't just give you ideas, they help you develop complete scripts tailored to your niche and audience. No more staring at blank screens wondering what to create next. Once you have your script, you need a professional voice to deliver it. That's where ElevenLabs comes in. This AI voice generator creates incredibly natural voices that your audience won't believe are AI generated. You can choose from dozens of voice styles, adjust tone, pitch, and emphasis. Create a consistent voice for your brand. Now for the visual elements. Instead of risking copyright claims with stock footage, any of these tools let you create original imagery. Leonardo AI generates stunning, high-resolution images from text prompts. Imagine Art creates professional-grade visuals customized to your needs. Flora AI, my absolute favorite. This tool is a complete content-making canvas where you can create all your designs in one workspace. Flora AI deserves special attention. It gives incredible consistency to your images and videos with just one click and simple prompt adjustments. The quality is mind-blowing. Let me show you. You can click the link in the description to go to the site. Signing up the first time with an email would get you some free token to start using the tool. You can give Flora AI your own prompt directly without leaving your workspace or asking ChatGPT or Claude to generate prompts for you. From the control panel, you can choose what type of content you want to create. The text button allows you to generate a refined prompt with just a few words. For example, write a prompt to create an image of a young American soldier. Now, let's use that prompt to generate an image. This is one of the fantastic features of Flora AI. Without closing the text prompt box or navigating to a different tool or page, you can continue to expand your workspace, link 2 or more contents together, and update your prompts on the go, all on the same block. This is the best content creating canvas at the moment. Just copy the image prompt that was generated, click on the plus sign to open the navigation option, click on the image button, and paste the prompt. Watch how Flora AI generates your results fast. Now to create a video, you can click on the plus sign, go to the video button, and paste the same prompt. Now to the reason why I said Flora AI is one of my best content creating AI tools, I can use one prompt to create a motion picture or short film while keeping the character consistent. At this point, you can pause the video to go sign up for a free Flora AI account, so you can follow along to get a practical experience. Watch this! I will create an image directly from Flora AI or even import another image I had generated using a different AI tool by copying the image and pasting it on the workspace. And then I will continue to tweak my prompts for different scenarios and actions using these smaller plus signs next to the prompt box instead of the main navigation panel. I will be mute for a minute to allow you to watch the magic happen. While we wait for the result, please take this moment to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, so you don't miss out on further insights, because I am going to be bringing you the most insightful tips on the best AI tools to ease and automate your content creation process. Also, I would like to know what you think about this tool. Do you find Flora AI fascinating like I do? What other content creation tool can be compared to it or would be preferred to use instead? Pro tip, you can use different email accounts to sign up in order to maximize the free token. To keep your character consistent, just copy and paste the same image and use it as your source or reference point. Flora AI has many unique features that are worth exploring. I would like to know if you, the viewers, are interested to explore this AI tool further. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. Once you are satisfied with the image and videos created, you can download them in your preferred format. I always make a folder for every episode I create just for proper organization, and also to make it very easy to find everything. Once you have your visuals, it's time to add movement. Hedra AI is a cutting-edge tool designed to bring your digital characters to life with real-time, natural-looking lip syncing. Whether you're building animated explainer videos, virtual influencers, or interactive avatars for YouTube or social media, Hedra AI makes it easy to sync audio to mouth movements with accuracy and expressive detail, all without needing complex animation software. Visit Hedra AI's official website or click the link in the description. Create an account or log in with your credentials. You can either upload a 2D image, 3D model, or select a pre-built avatar from Hedra's library, or import the image we had created earlier on. Ensure the avatar's mouth area is clearly visible for optimal results. Upload a voiceover file we had created using ElevenLabs in MP3 format, or record your voice directly in the app. You can also input text and use Hedra's built-in AI voice generator if needed. You can add emotions like smiling, frowning, surprise, or excitement to match the tone of your speech. Adjust timing, expression intensity, and blend with gestures. Hedra's AI will automatically analyze the audio and generate synchronized mouth movements. You can preview the results and make fine adjustments if needed. Welcome to my channel where we explore the impact of AI. Export your lip-synced video as MP4 format. Use it in your video editor, live stream, YouTube video, or app. Now it is time to create a unique soundtracks you fully own. Suno AI is a next-gen music generation platform that lets anyone create original, royalty-free soundtracks using just text prompts. No music skills required. Whether you need background music for YouTube videos, a podcast intro, or cinematic scores, Suno AI gives you full ownership of the music you generate. That means you can use it anywhere, anytime, without worrying about copyright strikes or licensing fees. Visit Suno.ai or use the link in the description to navigate to their website. Sign up with your email or log in with your preferred account. Google, Discord, etc. Select Create Music or go to the Custom Track Generator. Choose from modes like instrumental, song with vocals, genre-specific, or mood-based tracks. In the text box, describe the music you want. Example: an uplifting lo-fi beat for productivity videos. Or, epic orchestral theme for an animated hero intro. Optional, set your genre, mood, tempo, or instruments. Click Create and let Suno's AI do the work. In a few seconds, you'll get a fully original track with professional quality sound. Listen to the track preview. If you like it, click Download to get the file in MP3 or WAV format. Don't like the first result? Regenerate until it feels just right. Use your track across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, podcasts, games, live streams, and more. You own 100% of the rights. No royalties, no takedowns. Why use Suno AI? Instant, high-quality music from a text prompt. Full commercial rights if you subscribe to their platform. No copyright worries. Customizable by genre, mood, and style. Great for creators, marketers, filmmakers, and game devs. Easy enough for beginners, powerful enough for pros. Finally, to bring everything together. While CapCut adds professional transitions and effects to make your content stand out, it does require some little editing skills to navigate the functions and interface. So I use Canva. Canva is more than just a graphic design tool. Its AI-powered features help you create professional-level videos, presentations, social media posts, and more with drag-and-drop simplicity. Whether you're editing video intros, building Instagram reels, or putting together an animated YouTube explainer, Canva lets you compile all your elements, add transitions, effects, music, and AI-enhanced visuals to make your content pop, with no editing experience needed. I use Canva for making my thumbnails and bringing my assets together. Go to canva.com or use the link in the description to navigate to their website. Sign in or create a free account. While you have the option to upgrade to Canva Pro in order to access advanced AI features, the free version would be okay to put your materials together. Select what you want to create: video, presentation, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, etc. You may use a pre-made template or start from scratch. Upload your assets: videos, voiceovers, music, images, logos. Canva's free stock library has footage, audio, graphics, and fonts. But the whole purpose of this video is to show how to use your own original assets. You can only use some advanced features like Magic Design to instantly create multiple layout options from your uploads. Text to image to type a prompt and generate unique visuals with AI art. Magic Write to use AI to help script captions, voiceovers, or video titles. AI Beat Sync to automatically sync video cuts to background music beats. Background Remover to instantly remove and replace backgrounds from images or video frames. And many more in the Canva Pro package. Please leave a comment if you would like to learn more on these advanced features. For the purpose of this video, we will use the free feature to add transition and animation use, drag and drop transitions between scenes, e.g. dissolve, slide, match, and move. Apply animations to text and graphics, bounce, fade, typewriter, etc. Hit play to preview your full video or design export in HD video or 4K formats. Share directly to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or download for editing elsewhere. By using these tools to create original content, you completely avoid copyright claims. Save countless hours dealing with takedown notices. Build a unique visual style that viewers will recognize. Own everything in your videos 100%. Focus on what really matters. Creating content your audience loves. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Comment below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more copyright-free content creation strategies. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video where I'll do a deep dive into Flora AI, my favorite tool that's revolutionized my content workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.